everyone. Have you ever wondered why they always say that laughter is the best medicine? Have you ever wondered why we feel power during exercise despite the physical stress? Well, laughing, exercising, eating spicy foods, and other activities trigger the release of our body's natural painkillers. Pain and depression can be naturally unfelt through endorphins. The word endorphin is derived from the words endogenous and morphine, which intends to mean a morphine-like substance originating from within the body. Like morphine, endorphins trigger a positive feeling and suppress pain and depression. Endorphins function as inhibitory neurotransmitters and are able to produce analgesia and the feeling of well-being. They are secreted by the hypothalamus and pituitary gland in vertebrates during exercise, excitement, pain, and others. For example, the scent of vanilla helps reduce anxiety, which is often associated with depression, by triggering the release of endorphins. According to a 2006 study published by the FASEB journal, participants who expected to laugh soon had higher levels of endorphins in their blood than people who did not. The study suggests that these higher endorphin levels may help reduce your stress and improve your mood. Also, watching 15 minutes of comedy in a group increases pain threshold by 10%. Endorphin mechanism starts when a nerve impulse reaches the spinal cord. Endorphins are then secreted to prevent neurons from releasing more pain signals. According to the Hawaii Medical Journal, higher levels of endorphins can help you more effectively manage chronic pain. For example, people often have higher levels of endorphins after surgery as part of the body's response to pain. In instances of long continuous workouts corresponding to prolonged physical stress, endorphins are secreted to negatively regulate pain-carrying signals from the spinal cord. This way, as a person continues on creating physical stress, he or she will not be able to perceive pain. Endorphins enable us to unfeel pain and depression. Laughter, along with a positive outlook in life and a few practices, can help us surpass dull moments in life into a feeling of positivity brought about by the feel-good substances in our bodies called endorphins.